My name's Sam and I'm studying law at the University of Law, and I stay in the classic 4-bed. It is an enjoyable experience living at Manchester Court because my roommates are nice and polite, they're friendly and we get on well, and it's also extremely close to the city centre, literally a 10-minute walk to the Manchester Arndale if you walk it slow. So because I'm studying at the University of Law, it's a relatively close distance to where I'm studying. So on maps it'll state it's about a 25-30 minute walk, but you can walk it in 20 minutes if you're walking fast. There's also a bus station, a 2-minute walk, so if you are able to walk but do struggle, there is a bus station that drops you right outside Piccadilly Gardens, which is right by my university. There is a lot of train stations near here. Victoria Station, for example, is only a 5-minute walk, and Piccadilly Stations, which is closer to my university that I'm studying, is a 10-15 minute walk from the uni. There's 3 main types of apartment, and they are the classic 4-bed, the standard, and the studio, and I'm staying in the classic 4-bed apartment. Favourite thing about my room is probably just the space that we get and the desk to write at, because obviously being in university we've got a lot of work to get through, and I can have my laptop and my notes all spread out on the desk and I still have space to work. The main features of the house are it's got a shared kitchen, so I share it with 4 people including me. There's another lad in my apartment and 2 other girls, and they're really friendly and they're great to have a laugh with. The staff and support network at the Homes for Student in Manchester Court is really helpful. Joe's always in the office.
So my name is Joanne Aldrett and my role at Homes for Students is Assistant Property Manager in Manchester. So we look after 6 properties across the city. So Manchester Court is obviously a really secure site. We have CCTV cameras that cover all areas of the building. Each resident has a key which is suited, so that key will allow them into the block, into their flat and into their room, but no one else has a key that will allow them into that specific room.
The safety and security at Manchester Court where I'm living is absolutely paramount. It's not easy to get into the building. There is a specific key that you have to let you through A, the front door, and then B, your flat door, which should be locked. Regarding our laundry and how we clean our clothes and wash our clothes, there is a washing machine that comes as standard, a washer dryer in every flat, and washes and dries the clothes really well. You just need to put your own washing detergent in. The internet access that we have available to us at Manchester Court is really good. We'll log on for a system called StudentCom, and we just need a username and a password that you'll create yourself. There is a View Cinema only in the Printworks, which is a 5-minute walk away from the Manchester Court apartment. There's various other things that you can do, so they have A to Z of shopping centre in the Manchester Arndale. If partying and going hard is your thing, then there's Tiger and Birdcage, which again is in the Printworks, right by the Arndale, 5-minute walk, and there's loads of pubs and like Beer Keller, which is a sports bar, so they've always got the Champions League games playing, and Walkabout, which is like a Wetherspoon where they do cheap food and beer. Manchester Court would come highly recommended from me because it's got everything that a student needs, with the bars and the clubs and the shopping centres around it.
We hope you choose to stay with us at Manchester Court and we look forward to welcoming you in the future.